Hello, my fellow crocheters. Today we're going to create Mr. Poopy Butthole from the show Rick and Morty. For this project, you need to have yellow, dark gray, brown, dark blue, light blue, and black yarn. You're going to need a 3.75 millimeter crochet hook, a crochet needle, googly eyes or buttons, and a crochet stopper. All the materials are listed in the description below. Let's go ahead and start our project. So we are going to go ahead and assemble Mr. Poopy Butthole. It's suggested that you watch tutorials 1 through 4 before doing this activity. Go ahead and enjoy.
Let it burn, baby, let it knock. Ready for the rhythm, non-stop, non-stop, let it drop. Let it burn, baby, let it knock. Ready for the rhythm, non-stop, non-stop, let it drop. Let the music get up into your body. Hit the dance floor and watch me tonight. Let the music get up in your soul. Come on, let it roll, just let yourself go. Let the music get up into your body. Hit the dance floor and watch me tonight. Let the music get up in your soul. Come on, let it roll, just let yourself go. Your feet move, let your body sweat. Everybody on the floor, get ready for more. Feel good, feel great. Then everybody come and shake up on a big break. Yup, yup, lift it up. Gotta suck it up until you just can't get enough. Feel good, feel great. Then everybody come and shake up on a big break. Break, 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 break.
It's in my mind. Music, 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 music. It's in my mind. Music in my mind.
She bout to pull it, twist it, pass it, bop it. Pass it. We up too late because we're playing bop it. It's like we'll never stop it. Said you bring a friend. I said okay, got it. I think she bout to pull it, twist it, pass it, bop it, pull it, twist it, pass it, bop it. We up too late because we're playing bop it.
So that concludes our Mr. Poopy Butthole tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.